How to send Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to look at a step-by-step process on how you can easily send Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance. First up, you're going to have to open up your Phantom Wallet, and then from here you can select Solana. Once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and click on Send option, and it's going to take you to a place where you have an option to paste the wallet address. Now to get the address, you can open up Binance, and on Binance you can find the deposit option on the home screen. Once you tap on it, you're going to have to search for Solana, and then select your network as Solana. Then you'll get your wallet address here. Just copy the deposit address and go back to your Phantom wallet and paste the address there. Now you can just tap on next, and then you can enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Once you have entered the amount, tap on next, and then here on the summary page, you can find your transaction summary. Now you can just tap on send again, and your Solana should be transferred from Phantom Wallet to Binance. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.